recording this. All right, guys, here's who everybody has. Cardinals, working. Falcons, JB. Ravens, Yank 16. Bills, Ramo. Panthers, Lou. Bears, Ramo. Bengals, Reed Roofer. Browns, Lou. Cowboys, Spam. Broncos, Nico. Lions, Flying V. Packers, Pac-Man. Texans, Violet Petals. I spelled that wrong, but Colts, Big Time Hits. Jaguars, Spam. Chiefs, Dolphins, Barnes. Vikings, Flying V. Patriots, Reed Roofer. Big Al with the Jets and Giants. Saints, Flying V. Raiders, JB. Eagles, Stevers. Steelers, JB. Rams, Ramo. Chargers, Big Al. 49ers, JB. Stevers with the Seahawks. Bucks, Big Al. JB with the Titans. And Redskins, Stevers. Hello, Joe Denver. How are you today? Welcome to the room. All right. We'll start with the Strata because it'll be super quick and easy. Obviously going to save NT for last. Obviously. Alright, we got a thin one. We got a little thin one here. Dante Flowers, numbered to super short print, numbered to 800 for the Jaguars. Super short print. And jersey auto, Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Ty Montgomery jersey auto for the Packers. This one's also super thin. Like, this one's super duper thin. Like redemption thin. Like redemption thin. Like redemption thin. First one, Mike Davis jersey auto, numbered to 50 for the 49ers. Oh, I got you a boom right here, Al. Well, it's not your boom, but I got a boom right here, Al. You're due to receive signatures. Gold parallel. What's a gold parallel number 2? Anybody? 25, 50? Doesn't matter because it's of Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley for the Rams for Ramo. Boom for Ramo. There's your boom for Ramo. Gold parallel auto Todd Gurley for Ramo. Told you, we're going to pull the heat in this mixer. Most people don't like mixers. But Brew and I pull heat in mixers. For some reason, some way, somehow, we pull heat in mixers. Alright. Ramo with the Rams. Chrome Mini. Chrome Mini. Mini. Alright, that's what we need to do. We need to back this camera up. We need to back that thing up a little bit. There, that works. I'm not stretching too much. No more case breaks, only mixers. We pull so much heat in mixers, it's ridiculous. I'm pretty sure Al's pretty happy with the case breaks that I've done with Flawless and NT in the past. The other one was the Mike Davis. Yeah, it was a Mike Davis jersey auto, number to 50 for the Niners. Oh, Al, Brouhaha knows what you're talking about. No, not so much. Alright, good luck, guys. Box 1 of Chrome Mini. Refractor, Daniel Hunter. Duke Johnson, Super Rookie. Dan Marino insert. Sepia, Jesse James. Die Cut, Tony Dorsett. Jameis Winston, Super Rookie. Refractor, Cam Newton. Dante Fowler Jr. Camo to 99. Is the auto on top? No. Auto's normally on top right there. Nelson Aguilar, insert. Brett Favre, insert. Clay Matthews, Sepia. David Johnson, refractor. Oh, there's the auto. Aaron Rodgers, Pulsar. I see you, auto. Rashard Perryman, Super Rookie. Max Williams, insert. Rashard Perryman, that is a photo variation. Numbered 17 of 40. Bryce Petty, Super Rookie auto for the Jets, going to Big Al. 17 of 40. Bryce Petty. Oh, yeah. By the way, I don't believe that there's only 40 of these, just so you know. I know it's the Super Rookie one of Petty, but I'm pretty sure I've pulled 47 of these. And I'm pretty sure I've already pulled 17 of 40 before. I kid. I have pulled like 5 of those, though. Mark, did you not see the Todd Gurley that I already pulled? Did you not see the red auto out of Bowman that I pulled in my last break? We're just waiting till we get to NT. NT is my jam. NT is where I pull my heat. Listen. How many other people have pulled 2 Tom Brady 101s out of NT this year? Because I have. 2 Mariota RPAs, 1 number to 25, 1 to 10. 2 printing plates, and for Big Al and 1 break. Autos of Langford and what's the other dude? Melvin Gordon. We'd be pulling some heat. Oh, I repack boxes all the time. These are all repacked. Yeah, I mean, I'm known for my repack boxes. Especially the first flawless briefcase. Al, do you remember my first flawless briefcase? Or maybe it was my second flawless briefcase. The Brady. Repack and the random was rigged. Now we're getting too complicated here, Fifi. You give me more credit than it's worth. I'm not that smart. All right, guys. Second box, Chrome Mini. Good luck. Todd Gurley, Super Rookie. Jesse James Refractor. Stafford /99. Demaryius Thomas. I need to pull I haven't pulled a Super Refractor out of Chrome Mini in forever. I want to get to number 17. Matt Jones, Super Rookie. Drew Brees, Winston Rookie. Sepia, Fagadoro. Die Cut, Paul Hornig. Green Refractor, Trey Mason. Auto. Bryce Petty, Super Rookie. Javorius Allen. Derek Carr, Camo /99. Gold. Ty Montgomery, number 12/50 Refractor for Pac-Man. Devin Smith, Super Rookie. J.J. Watt. Matt Forte, Sepia. Andrew Luck Refractor. And Bo Wallace, Sepia. Not Sepia. With Pulsar. And your auto is not numbered. A not numbered auto of Levi Norwood. I already pulled the Super Refractor of Levi Norwood. So, Levi Norwood. It's basically the same thing as Vince Mail. Levi Norwood, they both suck. Alright, so far we have one good card out of this break, the Gurley. Now it's time to change things around. Time to pull some heat out of NT. Time to pull some heat out of NT. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it be, Kevin? If I repackage this with a Brady, like a Brady 101 in here. It's a thin one. Now, a thin one usually means a redemption, and that means Big Al and Reed Roofer are like, come on, Winston, come on, Brady, come on, Winston, come on, Brady. Wow, that's a good base card to start with. First card, base Emmitt Smith, numbered 5/5 Emerald for the Cowboys. 5/5 Emerald for the Cowboys. It's a few bucks on eBay right there. For Spam. For Spam the Ma'am. That is a nice base. Next base, Torrey Smith, numbered 99. 84/99 for the 49ers. Jameis Winston jersey for the Bucks, numbered to 99. Going to Big Al. 19/99. Focus. 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 19/99. 1999. Boom. I don't think that was boom worthy, Al. Curtis Martin, numbered to 49. 10/49 for the Jets. Also going to Mr. Big Al. I like Curtis Martin. Curtis Martin was good. 3-color patch. Aqib Talib, number to 49 for the Broncos, going to Nico Tubbs. Quad jersey for the Giants, numbered 7 to 25. Ruben Randall, Eli Manning, Victor Cruz, and Beckham for Big Al. Those New York teams are hitting for you, Al. Jets and Giants, you're like, yeah, sure, I'll keep the Jets and the Giants. I don't care. I don't think there's redemption in here. Eric Ebron, double jersey auto, numbered to 99 for the Lions. Come on, focus. What is with you today? Terrence Williams, number to 49, 20 of 49, jersey auto for the Cowboys. Going to Spam. Spam, spam, spam. Spam is the man. The great Troy Brown, number to 49, 20 of 49 for the Patriots. 20 of 49, Troy Brown. And last card, hopefully not least. I don't know if we'll be able to beat that Levi Norwood, but Stefan Diggs, 2-color patch auto for the Vikings, numbered 2 of 10. Going to Flying V, 2 of 10. No, it's the Vikings. That's for the Vikings, not the Ravens. Gaywalk didn't hit. Poor Gaywalk. All right, guys.